Hello everyone, I am Dr. Nisha Netam, Assistant Professor in the Department of Mechanical Engineering, National Institute of Technology, Raipur, Chhattisgarh. Today I am going to deliver a lecture on application of energy rating system in building design. Today I will cover the following contents in this lecture. Contents are sustainability, building rating system, green building technology, energy conservation and codes, energy rating system. In energy rating systems, we are going to cover LEED rating system, Griha rating system and IGBC rating systems and strategies for achieving energy efficiency and sustainability, then challenges in applying energy rating, then opportunities in applying energy rating. So, before understanding the energy rating system, we should know the concept of sustainability. Because of sustainability, we are focusing about the energy rating system. So, sustainability means meeting our own needs without compromising the ability of future generation to meet their own needs. Means the fossil fuels based energy will be with us for few more years only. Therefore, we have to save energy for our future generation so that they can also utilize the facilities which we are utilizing it now. So, why is sustainability important? So, if harmful processes are maintained with no change, very soon we will likely run out of fossil fuels and huge numbers of animal species will become extinct and the atmosphere will be damaged. Now, first we will discuss about the building rating system. First is building consume significant amount of energy and the global energy consumptions of building is approximately 40%. Second is an energy rating system in building design is a standardized rating system which have a guidelines and cover all the essential components of buildings for accessing the energy efficiency of a building. About the different rating systems we will discuss in the coming slides. Third is the building rating system. It directs architects and engineers to use the design strategy as per the rating system's requirement. In conclusion, energy consumptions will be reduced by utilizing building elements such as glazing, insulation, HVAC systems and lighting etc. in a very efficient way. On continuing building rating system, the fourth one is the building rating system will develop more sustainable structure with a reduced environmental impact. The fifth point is we can say that by adopting a building rating system, there will be a reduction of energy consumption of the buildings, the reductions of overall cost and the enhancement of sustainability. The sixth point on continuing the building rating system is we are aware that nowadays the indoor quality of air is very poor and decreasing day by day. That affects our health condition and building rating system focuses on healthy environment by requiring buildings to meet certain standards for indoor air quality, lightings and acoustics etc. As we are discussing the building rating systems, we should know the concept of green building technology also. So, the green building technology is also referred as sustainable building technology. So, green building technologies are innovation designed to make buildings more energy efficient, environmentally friendly and sustainable. So, sustainable building technology or green building technology states that the building should consume less energy, it should have a low maintenance cost, it should have good air quality, it should have better indoor thermal comfort parameters like temperature and humidity etc. So, temperature and humidity, these are the thermal comfort parameters which affect the human health also. Now we will discuss about the energy conservations and codes. So the Government of India set up Bureau of Energy Efficiency on 2002 under the provision of Energy Conservation Act 2001, and the objective of the BEE is to develop policies and programs on efficient use of energy and to promote awareness of energy savings and energy conservation and sustainability. Proceed to the next point. BEE develop minimum energy performance standard for equipments, appliances and commercial buildings under standard and labeling. The Ministry of Power, Government of India initiated the Energy Conservation Building Code, that is also known as ECBC, in May 2007, and Bureau of Energy Efficiency, that is known as BEE, formulated the ECBC. The Energy Conservation Building Code was established to enhance energy efficiency in new commercial buildings. Energy Conservation Building Code, the ECBC establishes energy performance standard for different building components and factoring in the climatic location. So, different climatic location has been considered in the ECBC code. To evaluate the building, ECBC uses the Energy Performance Index, that is known as EPI, which is annual energy consumption in kilowatt hour per square meter of the building. Proceed to the next point. If the ECBC guidelines and codes will be followed in the building design, it will enhance the occupant thermal comfort through the adoption of passive design principles and daylight integration. It is technologically neutral, supports for renewable energy, and it focuses the life cycle cost of the construction. Now we will discuss the few important energy rating systems which we are using it. So, three most known rating system are: first is the lead rating system, second is Griha rating system, third one is IGBC rating system, in which lead rating system is being used in worldwide and Griha and IGBC rating systems are being used in India. So, many commercial buildings have already adopted this rating system and certified. So, this rating system will be discussed in the details in the coming slides and next slides. So, first we will discuss the lead rating system and which is being used in the worldwide. So, leadership in energy and environmental design, that is known as LEED, is a rating system established by the US Green Building Council, that is also known as USGBC, to assess the environmental performance and sustainability of the building. So, it is a non-profit organization that initiated its inaugural green building rating system in 1998 as a pilot program for commercial buildings. So, around in 186 countries and territories, LEED rating system is being used. The LEED rating system operates on a point based framework, whereby buildings earning points by fulfilling specific requirements across different categories including energy efficiencies, water conservation and indoor environmental quality. The LEED grade of a building, it goes up as more points are earned. So, basically the LEED grading, it depends on the how much points our building earns. There are 4 levels of LEED certification. So, first one, certified for point 40 to 49 points. Achieving the certified status, it signifies that a building project has met the baseline requirements of LEED certification. Second, silver for point 50 to 59 points. The silver certification level indicates that a project has surpassed the basic LEED requirement. Third, gold of 60 to 79 points. Attaining gold certification denotes that a building has excelled in its sustainable design. Fourth, platinum 80 plus points. The platinum certification represents the pinnacle of LEED achievement and awarded to projects that earn more than 80% of the available points. Coming to the next rating system, that is a Griha rating system. So, Griha, it is an Indian standard rating system for a building, and Griha is acronym for Green Rating for Integrated Habitat Assessment. So, Griha rating system is one of the most popular rating system and used for Indian buildings, and Griha system was developed by TERI and was made the national rating system for green buildings by the Indian government in 2007. All the new construction projects with built up area more than 2500 square meter, that is excluding parking, basement area and typical building, are eligible for certification under the Griha. And Griha tool accesses the building qualitative and quantitative. That tool is able to rate a building on the degree of its greeneries. In the Griha rating, the threshold used are, and that is shown here. The rating system for building based on a 1 to 5 star scale, that is used in the Griha, and few buildings which are Griha certified are shown here in these images. You can see here in these images. The first one is IIM Kozhikode, Kerala. So, Kerala, which is a 5-star Griha rated campus. The second diagram you can see that is a multi-story quarters of amenity Jaipur, that is also a Griha rated, Griha certified buildings, and Griha has given 4-star rating to this building. The third one is the SCB Medical Colleges and Hospital of Cuttack. So, it is a 3-star Griha rated building. So, these buildings you can see here, and you can also see these stars are represent the Griha rating system, and this list we can also access through the Griha website. Next, coming to the Indian Green Building Council rating system. So, Indian Green Building Council IGBC has launched IGBC Green New Building Rating System for India. The IGBC rating system is designed primarily for new building, and certification level of IGBC rating system are shown in this table. The first column shows the certified level, and the last column of this table shows the recognition from IGBC rating. So, in certified level, which is the point between 0.40 to 49 points, it shows that certified level signifies that a building project has met the baseline requirements, recognizes as the best practices. The second level, that is in silver level, for point 50 to 59 points, silver certification level indicates that a project recognizes as outstanding performance. Gold level 60 to 74 points, attaining gold certification, it denotes that a building has a national excellence. The next level is known as the platinum level, between the point 75 to 100. The platinum certification represents as the global leadership. So, this is the highest rating in the IGBC rating system, that is in platinum level. Now, we will discuss strategies for achieving energy efficiencies and sustainability. So, one of the solution for attaining strategies for achieving energy efficiency and sustainability is to improve building energy efficiency is by cutting energy consumption. So, energy consumptions we can cut it down, we can reduce it by switching off the appliances, lights, fan, etc. when it is not in use. The second strategies is the major area of energy consumption in buildings are heating, ventilation, air conditioning, lighting and major appliances like water heater, refrigerators, freezers and dryer, etc. So, whatever we are using it, whatever appliances we are using it in our homes. So, using energy saving appliances leads to improve building designs. So, energy efficiencies and leads to sustainable building. The third point is compliance with rating system criteria. Following the rules of a certain energy rating systems like ECBC to get the rating level you want. So, ECBC suggests the designs of building envelope which will give better thermal comfort with less energy consumption. So, already we have discussed the thermal comfort will be better, and we are talking about, if we are talking about the thermal comfort, it is the temperature and humidity which we are having inside it our room or building. Continuing the strategies for achieving energy efficiency and sustainability, the fourth point is by using high efficiency HVAC systems, LED lightings, solar panels and data analytics tools that consumes less energy. So, LED light consumes less energy and also advanced technology systems can be used which will adjust the lights and cooling based on the requirements. So, when it is not in use, it will automatically switch it off, and this can be done by the advanced technology systems or the sensors. Now, the fifth point is improving building envelopes. So, building envelope consists of a wall, door, roof, ventilation, windows, etc. So, efficient building design will make less dependency on energy devices that will leads to reduce the energy consumption. The sixth point is life cycle cost analysis. Figuring out how much energy efficient design choices will save in the long run, taking into account both the original cost of the building and the money saved on a running the building. Therefore, life cycle cost is very important parameters of any building. Continuing the strategies for achieving energy efficiency and sustainability, the seventh point is material selection. Choosing the materials that are sustainable and have low embodied energy. The embodied energy, it means it will include direct and indirect energy consumed for the entire production process. Means entire production process means from raw material to the main products. So, during this process, whatever the energy will consume, that is known as embodied energy. For examples, if we will talk about the building material, aluminum, steels have more embodied energy as compared to the timber and concrete. Therefore, timber and concrete will be preferable for sustainable building materials because the embodied energy for these materials are less. The eighth point is measures to save water, like installing pipes and fixtures that use less water or such as low flow toilets and shower heads, or for using geyser water and rainwater harvesting system. The 9th point is indoor environmental quality. It means putting pupils' health first preference by making sure that there will be a good air quality, enough and proper lighting, and a comfort indoor temperature and humidity in the building. Next, we will discuss on challenges in applying energy rating system. So, in this rapidly challenging and changing words, we should adopt the technology that help us to save precious natural resources. This would lead to true sustainable development. But there are few challenges also. The first challenge is time and effort required. A potential barrier to designers, builders and developers using a rating system is the amount of time and effort required to learn about and implement it. The second is climate condition. Region to region, the climate condition varies in India. So, the different region may have varying building codes and standard. Therefore, it will difficult to apply a unified energy rating system in the India or in building. The third one, lack of awareness and knowledge. Many builders, architects and buildings occupants don't understand the benefit of energy efficient designs and application of building rating system. So, occupants and builders prefers the designs which are commonly being used and which is easy to construct and design, and adopting new thing is always a challenging task. The fourth point is high initial cost. Implementing energy efficient technology and energy rating systems requires high initial investments, which can be a barrier. Even though the life cycle cost will be less, but often people don't want to invest more money at the beginning of the construction. The fifth point is skill gap. So, very less pupils are expertise in energy efficient building design and rating system. So, that can limit the quality of implementation. As awareness is less, pupils are not educated in any energy efficient building design and rating system. So, the skill gap is also a major challenging. The sixth one is the data availability and accuracy. In energy rating system, detailed data needs to be collected to access the building energy based to different categories decided by the rating system. So, there is a challenges in accurately collecting and analyzing the energy consumption data. This can also affect the reliability of building energy ratings. Now, there are few solutions of energy rating system challenges. So, that we will discuss it here one by one. The first one is awareness campaign. So, educating stakeholders about the benefits of green buildings and also energy efficiency through workshop, training program and public awareness initiatives. BE, ECBC etc. are continuously organizing the events, but an individual needs to aware about the benefit of green buildings and energy efficiency. So, we should have aware about the green building technology, energy efficiency technology. Unless and until we will not aware, we cannot proceed towards the green technology system, green buildings technology. The second one is the stronger policy frameworks. So, this is possible by implementing mandatory energy efficiency standards. So, building codes for buildings at initial stage. The third one is the capacity building. So, organize a training program for architects and engineers to develop a skilled workforce with expertise in energy efficient building design and rating system, so that every individual can think about the energy efficiency and green buildings. Fourth one is on continuing solution for energy rating system challenges. The fourth point is uniform rating system is to develop a user friendly regionally adapted building energy rating system that is widely accepted and understood. So, uniform rating system should cover the climatic condition and structure. The fifth point is collaboration between stakeholders. So, the challenges of energy rating systems can be solved by promoting partnership between government agencies, building industries, professionals, developers and financial institutions to promote green building practices. Now, we will discuss the opportunity in applying energy rating system. First one, market demand. With increasing awareness of climate change, there is a rising demands for green building. These demands for green buildings will create a market for developers and builders who can achieve high energy rating through building design and practices. Occupants will search for the builders who can suggest the energy efficient material and design with minimum expenditure. So, this will create a big job opportunity in the market. The second point is enhanced property value. Buildings certified by green building rating systems like EGBC or GRIHA will have higher rental rates and resale value. So, this will attract the premium tenants and buyers. Hence, the occupants will always try to adopt the smart technologies to earn the better rating and hence to have better property value. The third one is energy saving and cost saving. So, energy efficient building designs will reduce the operational costs by optimizing energy consumptions, leading to long term financial benefit for buildings owner. On continuing the opportunity in applying energy rating system, the fourth point is government incentives. The Indian government is actively promoting green building initiative through various policies and incentives like reduction in property taxes or building tax, etc. This is creating a favorable environment for the adoption of building energy rating system. So, people will attract toward the scheme if any benefits will be given to them. So, government incentive is also an important opportunity in applying energy rating system. The fifth one is job opportunity. Expertise in building energy modeling, rating system compliances and green building design can open up opportunities for consultancy services to developers and building owners. Apart from the consultancy service, there will be a demand of training program also. So, it will create a huge job opportunity in the market. The sixth one is innovation and technology adoption. To achieve higher energy rating, people will use highly efficient building material and smart building technology. So, more innovative products and materials will come into the market, and with competition and demands, the price of smart material can also be reduced so that a common occupants people can be purchased and they can used in their building. 7.1 is brand value. As pupils are getting aware about the energy efficient technology, recognized rating can enhance the company's brand images and sustainability reputation. So, there are many buildings which are Griha certified and IGBC certified. They are very popular and they have their own brand name. So, this will increase the brand value. So, this can be adopted for different commercial buildings which are exist in India. So, these are the some references which are used for preparing the content of this lecture, and this can be utilized for more information and if you want to know more details about the building rating system or else energy rating systems.